Hey, we're United Football Club of Mobile. We're offering free training Wednesdays and Fridays from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Free training. Anyone who's interested, come out and join us. We also offer private lessons, personal one-on-one skills training development. So if you're interested, look us up, United Football Club of Mobile.
But some strikers want to do this, like other strikers, offensive. They want to come back here. On that goal, score this goal. The only goal you defend is this one. Come outside, or you can go inside. Change direction. All you do is change directions. You can do this, you can do that, or you can do the side. Go. Well done. Watch him, guys. Watch.
Start on this line right here. And you're gonna go to this toe, and you're gonna sprint right up under the thing. So you're gonna have your form. Honey. Sprint out. Good. Don't go. Stay beside me. There you go. Go with me. So after y'all do like a lot of angles, how y'all could, y'all gotta stop and then like kind of go. And just come here because there's no good benefit.